Hi guys, this is Andrew Shaw here, and I got Kugan. Okay, here's Sensor. Open him. He has 590 Gs and Sphinxtail. Okay, here's Dragonoid, 550 Gs. No, 560. Made a mistake. 500 Gs. Brownies. 470 Gs. Percival. Nemesis, 470 Gs. Alpha Percival, 550 Gs. And here's the cards. Overhang. Brownies. Reflection Gate. Shellash. There, sorry, upside down. Max's Helios. Bronze Launcher. Do-Over. Color Swap. Mirror Gate. Try again. Gloomy Gate. Light in the dark. Reflection Gate. Charge Earth. 80 bonus. Construction Gate. Brown Launcher Save. 180. Bye guys, but still have a Serpenoid to review. Bye, and thanks for watching.